Hello guys, I have described here what you have to do after ending the project. First impression can help you win a contract. Final impressions can make or break the feedback you receive and whether the client engages you again in future. Make sure both are equally positive. Number 1, be sure the client is happy. When you submit your final deliverable, ask your client to let you know what they think of your work and if it meets their expectation. Be open to fixing it if necessary. If you do 5-star work every time, your clients will rate you highly and be much more likely to work with you again. Number 2, let the client end the contract. When you submit your final work and client approves it, recommend that they end the contract. Clients often leave feedback about your business when they close a contract. Positive feedback can boost your score and likely to make a good impression on other potential clients in the Upwork marketplace. So that's it today. Thank you. Happy bidding.